Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Hideout TV. Now I know, just like me, a lot of you out there use this to collect points for other programs. Well, today we're going to be looking at the slow return, but with more to come in the future. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in Hideout TV, and I know, just like me, a lot of you out there, like I said in the introduction, a lot of you use this platform and were very disappointed that they basically ceased to be distributing points for watching videos. Now, the reason for that, for those of you that don't know, basically this is what they sent out to, I think, most of the members. It says, "Dear Hideout TV member, thank you as always for your support of Hideout and its sister sites. As you may already notice, we are currently experiencing a period of decreased ad inventory, which as a result has temporarily decreased the amount of points our users are able to earn. From time to time, based on various factors, ad inventory may increase or decrease at any time. Rest assured, we are committed to facing these challenges head on and providing you with the best experience possible. While earnings may temporarily be lower for you, you may still enjoy the great content provided by Hideout TV's content creators. We will keep you updated as we work through these challenges to provide you with the best video watching experience possible. Thank you for your support, blah 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 blah." So if those of you are not clear, if you're wondering what the ad inventory means, that simply means the amount of companies that have purchased ads to be shown on the Hideout TV platform. And as they say, this can increase. So at some points they might have a large number of companies and basically ad agencies that are putting ads on Hideout TV for us to watch and gain points. But then other times that number is decreased, therefore we earn less. And right at the moment we're in a situation where we are earning less, but things are starting to pick up. Basically, now when we click on the ad on a video in Hideout TV, rather than the site just saying that basically right at this moment it's not working, if we click here, we are now getting this here, Recipe Panda TV. Now when you click on that, this is what you see. So basically what it is a new channel. Now, as we know, if we go back to Hideout and then click here, there are the usual, these are the normal channels. These are the old channels. So Panda TV, which appears to be purely cooking, could be replacing Meal Ninja. Now, why am I saying it could be replacing it is, if we just get that out of the way, if we close this, go back out here, then click on a different one, Meal Ninja again. If we go back, try it again, click again, Puppy Bear again, click, go back. There you go, look, Groove Hub TV. So again, it's not these channels are not in the old listings. Now, I have tried some of these new ones. There was another one called Cozy something. I have tried those. They are currently, they show videos, but they are currently not appearing to give credits, but Recipe Panda is. But does this mean that essentially Hideout TV are basically doing a bit of a revamp? They could well be scrapping all their old channels and bringing new channels in. So Groove Hub TV, let's say, that is going to replace Museo. Although I think there was a music TV, maybe that's the cozy channel I saw. But anyway, you saw the puppy bear hub that could be replacing the Popjoy or the pet clips. So I'm just wondering if Hideout TV are, like I say, they're having a bit of a revamp. They're changing their platform maybe to attract more of those outside companies advertising on the platform. Or they might even just be saying, yeah, we're new. We're under new management, as it were, to again get those advertisers to come back. But the fact that, like I say, when you click on the channels now, you're getting banners for channels that don't appear to exist, makes me think that at some point in the very near future, they're going to suddenly unveil this new version of Hideout TV with all these new channels, and then we're going to start earning points as we were a week or so back, or a few weeks back. I think that's what's going to happen. Now, Recipe Panda, I have noticed with this, it does work. As you can see here, we've got 19 points that we've clocked up today. But I have noticed that if you find that you're, like you've clicked on a channel and then for maybe 2 or 3 videos, you're not earning anything, like you're not getting any ads, it's best to basically find another channel. I found that Taste Buds seems to pay. And I have found that Foxy Folksy pays, and I did have, I think I had one payout from the Chef John channel. The other channels I've not really found gave me anything, although I haven't tried all of the channels. Like Cooking with Kimberly, I've not tried for any length of time. Fun with Foods, I haven't tried with any length of time. Tasty Foods, I tried for a few videos, didn't get anything from that. But it is paying. It's not paying as regular as it was, definitely not. But it is definitely paying. So if all you're looking to do is maybe get a few points to get that one task in Roller Coin, that's going to be fine for this. Or if you're just looking to, say, throw maybe a couple of 100 points to Hit Bits or to Faucet Gamers, if you're not looking for huge amounts, then this is going to be okay for you. And I did clock up the amount of points. I think I racked up about 40 or 50 points last night. Would you believe this? I actually recorded it for 3 hours. In that 3 hours, I did click through about 3 different channels, and I actually recorded it for 3 hours. It might have been over 3 hours, and with the idea of editing that into this video so you could see me clocking up those points. And then guess what? I went and deleted it. So unfortunately, I can't show it. And not only did I delete it, I actually completely emptied my recycle bin as well, because I just do that out of habit when I delete anything. And then I suddenly realized, oh, hang on, where's that video gone? And I just, like, 3 odd hours of recording are just gone. So I'm really sorry for that. But it did, like I say, I think I got about 50 points by the end of the day, or about 3 hours. After about 3 or so hours, I got about 50 points, which I basically sent over to Hitbits, I think it was. And so it is working. Now, also as well, we have Loot TV. So this is Loot TV as well. This is how I used to run these programs. I used to be able to run them on one channel, on one monitor rather, next to each other, just like this. But what I found today was I was running this for about an hour, just like this, and nothing. I didn't seem to be getting any points. So what I did was I basically expanded this one like that, and then almost immediately, as soon as I expanded it, I got an advert. So I don't know if they have the platforms have done something to combat people doing this, because I mean, back in the day, at one point, you know, in the sort, I mean, this is maybe a few years back, but you could run anything up to 4 of these hideout windows. Basically, you could pick 4 different channels, and you could minimize them all into like, so you had them all on one screen, 4 of them, and you would clock up points like crazy. Absolutely, you would. But the thing is shortly after we started doing that, that's when people started to find that they were getting their accounts suspended, stuff like that. So they clearly cottoned onto it. But then now I think they might have actually done something about it, because like I say, today I was running these 2 channels next to each other just like this, and with Hideout TV or Recipe Panda TV, I was getting nothing. And then as soon as I expanded that one window, I instantly got an advert. So like I say, I do think that they might have put something in place so you can't run, basically you've got to run it at 100%, which obviously if we go into the browser, it's showing 100%, but it also has got to be fully expanded like that. That's basically what I think how you got to run it to basically claim to get your points. Now with Loot TV, a lot of people recently have been purely relying on this 4 hours to get 20 points. But today I've been running, mostly I've ran Simply Bacon's, which was a channel I always used to give me loads of points, like literally hundreds and hundreds of points on a daily basis. Now I've ran that this morning, and before we've even got up, so basically you're looking at 5, 15, 30, 50 points by the end of the day. But already today we've got nearly 20, and we're only not even 2 hours in. And that's what I say so Simply Bacon's was dishing out a few points, more than the usual 5 for an hour. And also as well, I've noticed that the channels that seem to be working best on Loot TV are Simply Bacon's. Then I just clicked on the business channel last night. I let that run. That racked up quite a few points for me as well. The channels I would avoid are there's a specific one. This one, Gamer Update. Do not use that. Now the reason why I'm saying do not use that is because I literally ran that. I just walked away from it. I just let the videos run for a couple of hours, and after a couple of hours it running, it hadn't even logged one thing on this blue line. It done nothing. So I don't know if that is a geo specific channel. It might work in America or something like that, but it definitely does not work in the UK. It basically doesn't even log any time. So basically I would steer clear of that Gamer Update channel. It is a waste of time. The other ones I tend to find that work pretty well are the this art channel. So what's that? Rayan Kellen Art, that one. I'm sure I've probably pronounced that terribly. Xset, I found that did work. I don't get anything from that now. So basically the 2 channels I'm probably suggesting for you guys to use are the Simply Bacon's and just click on this on the business channel and just let that run. I tend to find the business channel seems to give not regular, but give you ads more often than anything else at the moment. And I don't know if it's just a channel that they're pushing, or basically that channel is becoming more more favorable towards advertisers. With the Hideout TV, like I say, keep an eye on that. The fact that those new channels are popping up in that banner at the bottom but do not appear in the side banner at the moment I'm guessing they're gonna pop up and start actually giving points. I'm sure Hideout will put out an email announcing that, just like they put out the email saying the reason why we weren't getting points or we weren't earning as many points. So I'm guessing that they will put something out about those new channels. But like I say, keep an eye out. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you can smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.